Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. This is one of those questions that test real understanding. Try it yourself first. There is a clever shortcut hidden inside. Let's uncover it now. Today Olympiad math problem is 3 raised to power t into 5 raised to power t square equals 15. You have to find the value of t. Now we will start solving this problem. First of all, we will write this as 3 raised to power t into 5 raised to power t square, and 15 can be write as 3 multiply 5. Now 5 is divided on both sides. We will divide this equation by 5. So 3 raised to power t into 5 raised to power t square divided by 5 equals 3 multiply 5 divided by 5. Now 5 and 5 are cancelled out and we have 3 raised to power t into 5 raised to power t square divided by 5 raised to power 1 equals 3. Now in the next step, we will divide this by 3 raised to power t. So 3 raised to power t into 5 raised to power t square, and this 1 will be subtracted, divided by 3 raised to power t equals 3 divided by 3 raised to power t. Now this will become equals 3 raised to power t and 3 raised to power t are cancelled out. We have 5 raised to power t square minus 1 equals 3 raised to power t minus 1. Now we write this as 3 raised to power 1 minus t. Now we will take log on both sides. So log 5 raised to power t square minus 1 equals log 3 raised to power 1 minus t. Now according to log rule, power is in the start, so we have t square minus 1 log of 5 equal 1 minus t into log of 3. Now in the next step, we will divide both sides by log 5 and get t square minus 1 equals, this log 5 is multiplied here, it will be divided. So 1 minus t into log of 3 divided by log of 5. Now this is the rule that if one thing is multiplying to left hand side, it will be divided. Now we write t square minus 1 as equal 1 minus t into log of 3 and divided this by log of 5. Now after this, we will make a supposition here. This can be write as t square minus 1 minus 1 minus t into log of 3 divided by log of 5. We will apply here a square minus b square formula. According to that, we have t minus 1 into t plus 1, and from this we can take minus as common, and this will become t minus 1 into log of 3 divided by log of 5, that equals 0. Now you can take t minus 1 as common from this. So remaining will be t plus 1 minus log of 3 divided by log of 5. So this will be plus, because when we take minus as common from this, so this will become plus. Now we have two factors of this. First one is t minus 1 and the other is t minus 1 equals 0, and the other one is t plus 1 plus log 3 by log 5. Now after this, we have to find the value of t. So t equals 1. This is the first root, and the other root will be t equals minus 1 minus log base is 3 log 5. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.